Hello everyone. In continuation with the previous video, today I am here to present on the topic Objectives of Soil Investigation. The various objectives involves the sequence and the thickness of various soil layers, that is to determine the various soil profiles at various depths present inside the ground surface. The next objective is to obtain the physical and engineering properties of each layer of the soil, which is obtained in soil investigation. The last thing is to obtain location of groundwater table. It is more necessary to locate the exact position of groundwater table in order to study the reduction in bearing capacity due to effect of water table. The purpose of soil investigation is to obtain the properties of soil required for selection of type of foundation, design of foundation. Classification of exploration methods. There are two classes of soil exploration method. One is general exploration, next is detailed exploration. In general exploration method, we get an approximate picture of subsoil conditions at a relatively low cost. It is opted for minor and routine engineering works. Whereas in detailed exploration method, it is followed as a supplement to general exploration, which gives a detailed information such as soil properties, groundwater conditions, etc. It is opted for larger engineering works. Heavy loads and costly foundations are involved in this method. The methods of site exploration are open excavations, borings, subsurface soundings, and geophysical methods. These are all the four methods used to explore the soil from the proposed area of construction. First method is open excavation method. In this method, test pit and trenches can be used for all type of soils. The cost of open excavations increases rapidly with respect to depth. This method is ideal for shallow depth up to 3 meters. Next most effective method is boring method. Boring has several methods to explore the soil conditions. They are auger boring, auger and shell boring, wash boring, percussion boring, and rotary boring. One of the most commonly used method is auger boring. Augers are used in soft and cohesive soils. Hand augers are used for a depth of about 6 meters, and mechanical augers are used for greater depths. In this method, the recovered soil samples are badly disturbed and so they are useful for identification purposes only. Auger boring is suitable for highway explorations at shallower depth. Shell boring method. This method of boring is suitable for soft to stiff clays and sandy soils. Augers has shell with cutting edge or teeth at the lower end, which can be used for hard clays. Hand operated rigs are used for depths up to 25 meters and mechanized rigs up to 50 meters. Next method is wash boring method. It is fast and reliable method of boring for all types of soil except rocks. In this method, we are driving a casing through which a hollow drill rod with a sharp chisel or chopping bit at the lower end. Water is forced under pressure through the drill rod, which is alternatively raised and dropped and rotated. Chopping and jetting action of the bit and water disintegrates the soil. In this method, we can get soil water slurry through the annular space between the drill rod and the casing. In this method, we can guess the soil stratification from the rate of progress and color of wash water. This is a typical pictorial representation of wash boring method. Thank you everyone for listening to this video. Let's meet again in the next video. Have a good day.